Hi there! Welcome back to the Harbor History Museum here on the waterfront of beautiful Gig Harbor, Washington. And thanks for joining us for an update on our Maritime Gallery, Project 224606.
Hello, my name's Orrin Sowers. I'm a volunteer here in the Shenandoah Project, long-time volunteer. I was one of the very first, along with a few others that are still here.
Hi, my name's John McFerrin. I've been working on the Shenandoah for about 12 or 13 years now.
Okay, hi, I'm Steve Henry. I've been volunteering here for about 4 years.
Hi, my name is Craig Johnson. I'm a volunteer worker at the Harbor History Museum here, and I'm fortunate to have with me a very skilled and hardworking helper here, Jack Frazier.
Hi, I'm Ken Hoy, a volunteer on the Shenandoah Project. I've been at it for about 6 years, almost 6 years, and I'm really enjoying it. The project is so satisfying and occupies a lot of pleasure in my life. I appreciate the opportunity to do this.
Hi, I'm Andy Rotzela. I've been volunteering on the Shenandoah now for 5 years. Everything from rebuilding the afterdeck to now the project here with the wheelhouse windows.
Right now, what I'm working on is putting the final touches on the refinish of the pilot house.
I'm currently putting a doorknob on a new door for the head. This is the head for the Shenandoah.
And I'm working on this 1930 Atlas Imperial engine.
In the early days, when we were working on the Shenandoah, we would focus on the part that we were working on. If we were making a scarf joint for a rotten beam, that's all we would focus on. We'd try not to look at the extent of work ahead of us because it was overwhelming. The years click by and all of a sudden she's almost together now. So it's definitely a labor of love.
I'm working to rebuild this rotted windowsill, cutting it out, and what I'll be doing is using the router to cut this curve on the bottom of the window.
We've just been working on taking all the parts off, getting them wire brushed up and painted, and making sure all the bits and pieces run the way they should, and getting it ready to go back into the Shenandoah.
Built a lot of interesting stuff in that time, learned a lot.
The guys, other volunteers and Riley are great to work with, and I love this boat. We're coming along pretty well with it.
Shortly after we moved here, we found the Harbor History Museum and really liked its community involvement and a good way to learn the history of our relatively new residents.
The project is coming together. It's beautiful. It looks stunning inside.
It's just so cool to have a project like the Shenandoah here at Gig Harbor.
I think the bigger picture is really, what does this boat mean to our community? How can the completion of this gallery make a huge difference in the lives of not only the people that are with us today, but our future generations, from the littlest Amanda Janovich who picked fish in the fish hold on the Shenandoah to modern day school kids that come to visit the museum. It's really about creating this amazing community experience that holds the Shenandoah as an icon of our heritage and of our future and of our stewardship of this planet.